Good morning, all of you. Again, welcome back to our new English class. This is a lesson for class 6 students. So, we are going to learn a small grammar portion that is from your textbook, page number 12. That is from first chapter. Okay. In the last class, I told you I will take the grammar lessons later. And now it's time to go through some grammar portions. So please take page number 12. Okay. Now you can see what? You can see something like singular, plural, countable and uncountable, something like that. So what do you mean by singular and plural? What do you mean by the word singular? Singular means what? Only one, single. Then what do you mean by plural? Singular and plural. You know, singular. Can you say some words that are singular? Singular words? Singular. That means single. Only one thing. Okay. Toy. T-O-Y, toy. It's singular. Okay. Boy. B-O-Y, boy. That is singular. Means only one. Then what about girl? G-I-R-L, girl. That's also what? Singular. Okay. Then what do you think about toys? T-O-Y-S, toys. Can you say? Okay. That is something different. That's what? Plural. Okay. That is what we called plural. Toys. T-O-Y-S, toys. Boys, girls, okay, etc. So this is what we are going to learn. This is something simple thing, not a difficult portion, I think. Okay. So look into your textbook. You can see from page 12, you can see something like that. Some nouns are countable. For example, girl, house, toy, etc. That I told you just a few minutes before. Okay. We can say two girls, two houses or two toys. Okay. We can say what? Two toys or two boys or two houses. Okay. Something like that. Then that's what we call countable. You can count it. How many toys are there? I have only two toys. How many boys are there in the class? Only two. Okay. You can count now. One boy, two boys. Okay. That's what we call countable. Okay. Then what can you see? Countable nouns have plural. Yes. Countable nouns have also plural also. Okay. That's what we write. Girls, houses or toys. Two houses, four houses. Okay. Okay. Then we can use a or an with them. Then how can we write it? Yes, come on. A toy. A toy. That means only one. A toy. And a girl. A boy. Okay. A girl. A boy. Actually, when we say like that, that is only singular. A girl. A boy. That is singular. Okay. You can count it. Only one boy or one girl or one toy. You can count it. Okay. So listen to some other words. So listen to the blackboard. Okay. Two waters. Two waters. Then two ices. Two ices. Two milks. Two milks. My question is, can you say something like this? Two waters, two ices. I want two waters to drink. Will you say like that? Is it grammatically right or wrong? Yes, it's wrong. Okay. Now just check it. We can't say two waters. I want to drink 2 waters or 3 waters or 10 waters. That's grammatically wrong. Okay. What about milks? I want 3 milks and 2 milks. We can't say like that. I want 1 chocolate. You can say like that. Okay. I want one. I like to eat 1 Milky Bar or something like that. That's something different. Okay. But what we say about these words, 2 waters, we can't say like that. Okay. So there are some words or nouns that we can't count it properly. So that is what we call uncountable. What? Uncountable. That is what we call uncountable. Uncountable. We can't count it. We cannot count it. So uncountable nouns have no plurals. Okay. Okay, we can't say ices, waters, milks. Okay. And we cannot use a or an before them. I would like to drink a water. I would like to eat a ice or an ice. Or I would like to eat a milk. No, we can't say like that. So, what would we do with these words? I want to drink some water. I want to drink some water, not a water, 2 water. Okay, we can say I want to drink some water. Okay, then what about milks? Will you give me some milk? Okay, will you give me some milk? Okay, that is a right way to use these uncountable nouns. So you can see from the textbook so many words are there given in your textbook. Something like tiger, bottles, army, steam, father, key, feet. Okay, something like that. So here is your duty to classify these words into 3. So look into your textbook. You can see some spaces given in your textbook to classify these words. You have 3 boxes there. Okay. First box you can see singular countable, and second box you can see plural countable. Plural countable. Then third one you can see what? Uncountable. Okay, uncountable. So singular, plural, that is the both of them are countable. But for the third one you cannot count it. That is what we call uncountable. Okay, uncountable. Yes. So there are some words already written in your textbook. That is, first word is key, K-E-Y, key. A key or 2 keys, you can count it. Okay, countable, singular countable, that is key. If you write in the second one, means what we would say for plural one? We can say keys, K-E-Y-S, keys. Okay. Okay, then plural countable, you can see what? Teeth. Okay, teeth. That is plural. Toothbrush. We can't say teeth brush. Okay. Teeth. Then. There are so many words are there. For uncountable words, what? There's a word written in your textbook. Look at courage. Courage. Okay, courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E, courage. Note it. Okay. Courage means what? Yes, it's I have courage. I have 1 courage or I have 2 courage. We can't say like that. You can't count the courage or some words like honesty. Okay. So these are uncountable. You can't count it. Okay, that's important thing. Now it's your duty to classify those words into 3. First one singular countable, second one plural countable, and the third one uncountable. Okay. Just try to classify it, and then after that I will help you. Okay. Okay. Just try to classify these words. Okay. Here, I think you have almost tried to find the words. Okay. Just now I will help you. So look into the group of words given in your textbook. Just above the boxes. Okay. The first word is tiger. Tiger. Is it countable or uncountable? Can you count tiger? Yes, you can count it. There's a tiger there. Two tigers are there. There. Okay. You can count the tigers. Okay. So tiger is a word that is singular. If we put s after the word, you can say tigers. Okay. Then that is a plural one. Okay. Now in your textbook you can see what tiger. So we can say what that is singular countable. Okay. Write it. Singular countable tiger. Tiger tiger. Where just below the word key. Okay. Write it just below the word key. Okay. Okay. Then singular countable. What about bottles? Can you classify it? Bottles. I have one bottle. There are two bottles. Okay. Or three bottles. Okay. You can count it now. Okay. But you can see the word bottles. That is plural. Okay. So you can write it below. Write it in the second box. That is plural countable. Okay. Now write it here. Okay. Have you wrote it? So then army. 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 Is it countable or uncountable? Can you count army? There is one army. Can you say like that? Is it grammatically correct or incorrect? Okay, we can't say one army or two army, like something like that. That is army. The word itself says that army means a crowd. That means more than one. Okay, there is a large group of people are there. That is what we call army. Okay, so it is nothing but uncountable. Okay, uncountable. Then what about the word steam? Can we say steam, one steam, two steams, and three steams? No, we can't say like that. Okay, then it is uncountable. Okay, uncountable. Then third one, father. The next word, father. Okay, is it countable or uncountable? Yes, countable. You can count it, father. There are so many. One father, two father. Okay, you can count it. So that is singular. Okay, we can say fathers also. Okay. Then key already written. Okay. Then what about the word feet? Feet, foot, feet. Have you ever heard about that word? Feet and foot. Okay. Feet means that is plural countable. Okay, feet. Okay, that's plural. Then what about courage? Okay, already written in your text. Then what about the word woman? Woman. That is countable or uncountable? Yes, countable. That is singular. Woman. What is the plural word for woman? WOMAN. Woman. That is singular word. Can you say another word for the plural word for woman? Yes. That is women. Women. It is pronounced as we men. Okay. Not woman. It is women. We men. Okay. Woman and women. Okay. Then another word, men. Can you say man, men? man, men. Okay. That is what men is plural. Okay. Then what about cheese? Can you count it? You can't say one cheese, two cheese. Okay. It is uncountable. Okay. Cheese is word uncountable. Uncountable. Okay. Cheese is uncountable. Then another word. Dog. Two dogs, three dogs. Yes, you can count it. So what that is what singular. Okay. Dog is singular. Then what about teeth? Okay, we have already written. Then chair. Two chairs, three chairs. There are four chairs in my house. Okay, can you count it? Okay. Chair is singular countable. Okay, singular countable. Then shirt. I have one shirt. No, I have more than four shirts. Okay, you can count it. So shirt is also singular countable. Then what about butter? What do you can you say it? Is it countable or uncountable? Butter. You can't count butter. Okay, so it is uncountable. Butter is uncountable. Then what about grass? There are one grass or two grasses. No, you can't count it. That is uncountable. Okay. Then minute. Can you count it? Minute. 2 minutes later or 10 minutes later. Okay, you can count it. Okay. So minute is singular. Okay, then what about spoons? Spoons. I have one spoon. I usually use one spoon only. But what about, yes, you can count it. You can count spoons. That is what plural. You can see yes there. Spoons. Spoons. Okay. That's simple. You can count it. And that is plural. Then what about ships? Ship. One ship. Two ships. Okay. We can count it. That is plural. Okay. Ships. That is plural. Plural countable. Okay. Then what about computers? How many computers are there in your home? Okay, you can count it. Computers. That is also plural. That's also plural word. Okay, computers. Countable. You can count it. Then what about fun? Can you count the fun? One fun, two fun, three fun. No, you can't count it. So that is uncountable. Fun is a word that is uncountable. Okay. What about day? 3 days later. Okay, you can count it. Okay. Or after 4 days. Okay, you can count it. How many days? Okay, that is countable. Then what about apple? Yes, you can count one apple, two apples. Okay, okay, you can count it. Apple is a word that is singular. Okay, singular, countable. Then what about book? Book is also countable. Okay, that is singular. Okay. If we put s, then it will be the plural one. Okay. What about joke? Can you count joke? I have done 2 jokes, 3 jokes. No. The word joke is uncountable. Okay. The word joke is uncountable. Uncountable. Okay. Okay, then that's enough with our small grammar portions.